Yes, good evening to everybody. This is H. Atiq Ahmad. I welcome all of you to our certificate distribution ceremony. Okay, and we know that in the last month we started our institute, that is Smart Yuva coaching classes, and the first batch of our institute, that is the batch of C programming, has completed yesterday itself, that is on Saturday. So today we arrange this certificate ceremony so that we can distribute to all of you. Actually, before 1 month back, when I planned to start our first course, I was in a confusion that whether in our institute whether more number of students may join or not. But really, I am very happy today that by seeing the interest in the students, okay, that still they are very eager to learn very new concepts, and finally they have judged the right institute, and I am very happy that people have joined and they have completed the course also. Imagine, before 1 month back, you don't know anything. The people who came to our institute, they are having nil knowledge in programming. But after 1 month, that is after 40 to 45 days have completed, our batch has completed. Now you people got something that you can be proud of. You have learned something in our C programming subject. Is it right? So now, I am, without taking too much of the time, I am going to start our today's event now. So first of all, I am going to call our today's guest of honor, today's chief guest, that is our Dr. M. Anwar Hussain sir, to come and occupy the chair, please. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Actually, just 1 day back, I requested our sir that, sir, your presence is very good because this is the first batch we have completed, and if some high dignity person or the person who is having well-known personality can present the certificates to our students, it will add moral to their values. Is it right or not? That is the one thing I want. So sir has accepted my invitation and he came, and I am very happy for that. Okay, now to introduce our chief guest today, I would like to give the opportunity to one of our student of our batch, that is Mujibur Rahman, to come and have a few words about our today's chief guest.
Good evening, sir. Good evening to everyone. Now I am introducing our chief guest, Dr. M. Anwar Hussain sir, currently an associate professor of Telugu and associate NCC officer, Usmania College, Kurnool. He is a well-known personality not only in Kurnool but in the entire state of Andhra Pradesh. Sir has completed his PhD in Telugu at SK University, Anantapur in 2009. Prior to that, Sir has completed his MPhil at Telugu University in Hyderabad in 1994. Sir also has completed his MA in Telugu at SK University, Anantapur in 1990. And prior to that, Dr. M. Anwar Hussain sir has completed his SSC in the year 1982. Dr. M. Anwar Hussain sir has attended and organized a numerous number of workshops, seminars and conferences across the state. Currently, sir is also a coordinator for Youth Red Cross Society. Dr. M. Anwar Hussain sir has a vast number of 15 national and international publications. Sir has also been invited as chief guest faculty for the lecturers on NSS, NCC and Indian Red Cross Society by various institutions across the state. Sir has also published eminent books such as Muharram Urdu, Importance of Dargahs in Maintaining National Integration in Kurnool District, etc. Now, on coming to the awards, Sir has received more than 17 awards. Now, I am going to share few of them. Sir has received appreciation certificate on the occasion of Tungabhadra Pushkaralu in 2008 from MLA M.A. Ghaffur. Sir also received commendation certificate on Independence Day celebration in 2009 from Sri Silpa Mohan Reddy, Minister of Housing Affairs, Andhra Pradesh. Sir has also received Best Teacher Award in 2017 from Alliance Club International on the occasion of World Teachers Day. In September 2018, Sir has also received Best Teacher Award from S.V. Subbareddy Foundation, Kurnool. Recently, on 5th September 2019, Sir has received Andhra Pradesh State Teacher Award from Honorable Chief Minister Sri Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy. Thank you, Atiq sir, for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you, Mujibur Rahman, for your nice presentation regarding our today's chief guest. Actually, when I saw the biodata of our today's chief guest, actually I am unable to know what to write because it is not a biodata. Actually, it is like a textbook, mind you. You know, when you start your career as a fresher, you will be having your biodata of only 1 or 2 pages. Is it right? If your biodata pages are getting increased is nothing but you can't increase your biodata pages automatically. It adds to your experience. Once you do many things that people will remember, automatically a small 1 or 2 pages automatically is converted into a book also. Is it right or not? So, sir, actually I think I may not have covered all the points, but I tried to cover most of the things that can show the achievement that our sir has got in his educational career. So now I would like to request our today's chief guest, Dr. M. Anwar Hussain sir, so that he can share his experience, he can guide our students so that they can do much more new things in their life related to the education. Sir.
Dear friends, and Atiq Ahmad, a very good evening. Assalamu alaikum. Subha Shayantram. My name is Lieutenant Dr. Mandi Anwar Hussain. I am grateful to your one of student for introducing me and say some good words of my career. Basically, I am an associate professor of Telugu. I speak Telugu fluently than English and Urdu. But this is not the occasion to speak in Telugu, I think. And I am grateful to Atiq for inviting me for such a wonderful occasion to distributing your successful certification in programming C, I think. Yes, programming C. I know your sir from his childhood. He is a very hard-working guy, and at the same time, he is a very good human being. Being a human being is great than a rich person, I believe. His father, anybody knows his father, Atiq's father? His intellectualness got by his genes. He has having genes of intellectuality, nobleness. His father is a well-known Urdu poet in Kurnool. He is known as Khamar Nagari. His pen name is Khamar Nagari. Khaisi Khamar Nagari is his father's name. He is my native. I am fortunate that such a gentle persons came into my life by choice, because I am new to Kurnool. When I came to Kurnool in 1995, I am not knowing that there is a college called Usmania College is here. By chance, I got opportunity as a Telugu lecturer, and for the last 25 years, I am serving in the same institution in various capacities. Other than my academic side, I served as NSS program officer for 7 years and NCC associate officer for more than 10 years, and now I am present working as Youth Red Cross coordinator and as well as Red Ribbon Club coordinator. I choose all these things because I am more interested in social activities. My main activity is to motivate my students to participate in social activities and having humanness in their life, in their home. Nowadays, what is happening is you are become learned persons, but we are losing humanness, human values, professional ethics. All are we are lacking behind this. For that reason only, I choose this extracurricular activities. I went to Delhi to participate in Republic Day parade in the year 1995, and at the same time 2015 also I went to a Republic Day participate. There I learned our South Indian students is lacking behind of their communication skills. Communication skills, I mean communication skills in other languages. We can speak in Telugu fluently, but when come to communication in Hindi or English, we fear like anything. But he proves that, Mr. Atiq Ahmad proves that for communication English and speaking English can achieve by hard work. He is not a student of any private corporate school or corporate college. I know. Only because of his hard work and his dedication, he became a good speaker and good teacher, and at the same time a good human being. And I am very grateful he chooses me, and I became a part of your Yuva family, smart family. I am very grateful to him and his family for doing this, for giving this opportunity. Thank you, Atiq. And I wish not only Atiq Ahmad and all of you to achieve good goals in your lives. Thank you very much.
So thank you very much, sir, for your kind and encouraging words. See, all of you, sir told that the reason that we have taken our coaching classes name Smart Yuva, it indicates that you are the youngsters, you are the Yuva here. What is the meaning of smart here? Not face-wise smart. We are not saying that only the heroes should come and join our institutes. Nowadays, more than hard work, smart work is important. Companies are looking for not the people who will work day and night, the people who will work in 1 hour and they should complete the work of 1 day. Companies are looking smart workers more than hard workers. Hard work is the weapon of any student to have success, but along with that, what we need smart work also. And whatever, you know, the reason that we should be very happy today because of SAR's presence, is it right? Because our institute, whatever we have planned, is a startup institute. First time everyone should start with a scratch only. So nowadays, if we have only 20 students in our institute, then there is one day, if we continue to do our hard work, you know, nowadays the only one problem that you people are facing outside is dishonesty will be there. People are charging more money, but they are not satisfying the level of teaching to you. That is the problem you people are facing in the present universities. Is it right? So in our institute, one of the things that we are providing is satisfaction. At the end, now you have completed your 45 days course. I believe that the students you have learned here, they are satisfied. That is the only thing I want from your side. If you are satisfied, you are going to inform to your friends. If you are not satisfied, can I expect any second batch in my institute? It is not possible. Highly it is not possible. If I do honesty to all of you in my teaching, if you understood, then surely you are going to give good publicity related to our institute. Okay, and I expect our students to do only one thing from our side. What is that? You should remember us. That so and so lecturer has teach us. When we can remember, you know, I believe, because I am teacher, sir is also a lecturer. We are in the lecturer field. In India especially, the lecturer field is not given that much of respect that it deserves, what I believe. They will give respect to other professions like doctors, like engineers. But how doctors have become, how we got like engineers? Because of influence of good teachers only. If there are no teachers, if there are no good lecturers, can we expect good doctors? Highly it is impossible job. Is it right or not? So I will expect from all of you, after learning this subject, don't stop. Don't think that you became perfect in your C programming language. What you need to do, the material which we have provided, you need to prepare thoroughly once again. Revision is important. Then you will become surely perfect. Once you will get job, you surely will remember us. That is the only thing we want from our side. Is it right? There are different types of lecturers available. I will give this example many times to my students. Okay, there are lecturers, what they will do? They will prepare, they will take one plate, they will put the rice, and they will ask the students only, mix curry and eat. They will give the work to students, mix the curry and you only eat. But nowadays there are students, they required mouth feeding, which means in our institute, what I used to do means, I will take the plate, I will put the rice, I will cook it, I will put the curry also, I will mix, I will open your mouth, I will take the food in the spoon and I will put in your mouth. And what is the only thing you need to do? You need to swallow. Sir, pain is there in my throat means I can't do anything for that. Nobody can do. Because we know that one, we can take the horse to the pond, but we can't make it drink. Same thing here also. Is it right? So thank you very much, sir, for your encouraging words. By seeing some good lecturers, by seeing some personalities, we need to learn. That is the message we need to take. Is it okay? Now, sir, our program is not a very long program, as you know that. So the next part of our today's event is the distribution of certificates. After the distribution of certificates, we will listen the feedback from some of our students. Then after that, we are going to close our today's event. It is not a very long event. Okay, is it right? So what I am going to do means, I will request our today's chief guest, Mr. Anwar Hussain sir, Dr. Anwar Hussain sir, to give away the certificates to our participants. One by one, I am going to call your name. You can come and you can take the certificate. V. Bharat to come and occupy your participation certificate here. Is it okay? Okay, thank you, Bharat. Next, thank you, sir. Next, I would like to call our next student, Sheikh Samir, to come and take your participation certificate. Next, I would like to call our next student, Sheikh Junaid Malik, to come and take your participation certificate. Next, yes, Mujibur Rahman, come and take your participation certificate. So next, the certificate of completion will be given to yes, Muhammad Ismail. Come and take your certificate. Next, G. Furqan Ahmed, come and take your certificate, please. Next, G. Fasi Ahmed, come and take your certificate, please.
I saw your demo class in Facebook.
Facebook, yes. One more thing, our students are very energetic to take demo classes also, and as a part of their routine work, Sir, I want to tell that many of them have presented the demos also recently in the concluding week of our course. So that is one nice thing. Next is Sheikh Ilyas Basha. Next, come and take your certificate. Next B. Arvind Naidu. Actually, there are some students who have joined in first year itself and they have completed C language before their first year has started. So it is good. Next, we have one more Samir, Sheikh Samir. You can come and take your certificate, please. Camera को देखो. Next, one of our student of our college itself, Dr. KV Subba Reddy, Institute of Technology, Sheikh Muhammad Zishan. Thank you, sir. So actually, just I want to say one thing related to our certificates, unique thing. Okay. In our certificate, all of you can find one code here. QR code will be available. In your mobile phone, you will be having your scanner app will be there. You can show the validity of this certificate to anybody. Just scan this QR code and directly it will take to your e-certificate. So that e-certificate with the same serial number with the unique URL will be displayed. For every student, there will be separate URL. So that will show the uniqueness of the certificate. Is it right? You can show it as a validity proof when you are attending for any interviews or any types of placements. Is it okay? So the final part of our today's program, as we have completed our course and first batch of C programming, now I would like to call some of our students, if you are interested, that you can share the feedback of our first batch, that how you have learned, what is the experience, what suggestions you can give to the upcoming students, because there are some more students who are waiting to join. So just you can pass the information, and this message will be not only received by here, the audience who are available throughout the world, the people who will watch our YouTube channel Engineering Drive, those people also they will get the message. So try to share your opinion. This is the last part of our today's program. Okay, so I would like to call our one of our student, Furqan Ahmad. You can come and share your thoughts.
I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Furqan Ahmad. Recently, I joined in G. Pullaya College of Engineering and Technology in first year CSE. 1 month back, I am so nervous that I don't know any basic knowledge of computer and programming. I came to know that Smart Yuva coaching classes are saying these type of programming languages in efficient and very pleasant manner. But some people are thinking that programming languages are different type of languages that we can't learn. As our Atiq Ahmad sir said that programming language is one type of language that everybody should learn and should encourage it. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Have a nice day.
Next, yes, Arvind, share your any feedback. Okay.
Respected sir, my name is B. Arvind Naidu. I would like to tell about our Smart Yuva coaching classes. I couldn't know about any idea about C programming languages and computers also. I would like to know from Smart Yuva coaching classes. I am in position of to write any C program. I learnt in my sir.
Before the start of your class work.
Okay.
You can share. So what you will feel about the subject means whether it will be good to learn in advance so that we can improve more. Okay, once we joined our BTech, because many students' mentality is what once they will join BTech, there only they can learn everything. But what it is the better thing, that safe side. If we learn in advance some courses, then automatically it will improve our knowledge also. So you can share that same thing.
I would like to use my mother tongue.
Okay, no problem. You can use comfortably.
ఫస్ట్ నాకు సి ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ అనగా కంప్యూటర్ అనగా తెలియదు. ఫస్ట్ నేను క్లాస్కి రావడం నేర్చుకున్నా. క్లాస్లోకి వచ్చిన తర్వాత నేర్చుకున్నా సి ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ అనగా ఏది, కంప్యూటర్ అనగా ఏది, కంపైలర్ అనగా ఏది అని తెలుసుకున్నాను. అదేవిధంగా అతిక్ సార్ ఈజీ వేలో నేర్పించారు. మనకి ఈజీ వేలో నేర్పించాడు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
Thank you. No problem. Okay, next still anybody just yes come here. No problem. See, whether if you come you need to speak perfectly. There is no way that nobody is going to force you. Everyone will start from scratch only. The important thing is how you are going to speak, what you are going to speak. That is important for us. Okay. Yes, Mujibur Rahman, come.
Good evening to everyone. Hello to everyone who are viewing us in YouTube. At first I want to become game developer, and I did a research on that, how to become a game developer through internet, and asking my cousins who are software developers in multinational companies. They said to me that first begin with C, and I don't know how to begin with C programming language. Then my brother came to me and told me that our sir is organizing C programming classes from some dates for 45 days. Then I asked how much is the fees, and my brother said that 2,500. I was shocked by listening that fees, because C programming course in present in this city begins with 6,000. I was shocked. What should I learn in that 2,500 course? Then I just came to check how efficient sir is teaching the course. Then I came on first day just to check that whether sir is teaching in good way or not. Then later coming to here on first day, after listening the class, I got full confidence to learn C programming in Smart Yuva classes. Sir teach us in very efficient way with less fee, with affordable fee. By this I am able to understand what is C programming now, and I can write many codes in C programming now. C programming is very basic language to understand and practice many other languages which we use for web development, etc. So I highly recommend everyone who are willing to learn C programming or any other languages, visit Smart Yuva classes. You can find links in the description. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, man. Thank you. Thank you, Mujibur Rahman. So he told one thing that I would like to focus also, that people nowadays used to see the fee also. Fee is more means quality will be more. Like that one misunderstanding is there in the people. Is it right? If fee is less means more number of students will not join. If fee is more means more number of students will join. Why? If fee is more means there will be much more quality. But listen, remember one point, there is no guarantee that the phone from Apple will work for 5 years. Sometimes it may fail in 1 month also. There is no guarantee that the phone from China company may run for 5 years also. We don't know. So remember one thing, always we need to see the quality. Okay, based on quality, if the quality is good within the affordable price, if we are getting something, immediately we need to join. That's what Mujibur Rahman told. Okay, this is absolutely correct.
Good evening, respected sir and my dear friends. My name is Sheikh Ilyas, currently pursuing BTech 4th year mechanical in Brindavan Institute of Technology and Science. Now 1 month back, before joining this institute, I was very nervous of a C program, but when I came here in institute, by seeing the teaching of a well experienced faculty, I doesn't feel any sort of difficulty of understanding the C program. One thing I want to say about this Smart UI coaching classes, that and manager H. Atiq Ahmad sir, that his teaching is in a simple manner I personally recommend the student to join this institute to learn various type of C programming language. Now I am in the position that I can explain the course, explain any topic, maximum topics in my course, and that I thankful to H. Atiq Ahmad sir to teach us this C programming to us. Thank you, sir.
So respected sir, my dear friends, my name is Mr. Sheikh Samir. I am pursuing BTech in Mechanical 4th year at Brindavan Institute of Technology and Sciences. Few months ago, I have joined Smart UI classes. I especially thank to Atiq sir for teaching in very simple manner and more efficient manner. So thank you sir. So thank you.
A pleasant evening to everyone, and respected chief guest and respected Atiq sir. My name is Fasi Ahmed and I am studying in Dr. K.V. Subbareddy Institute of Technology, and I am pursuing BTech second year. And I am really thankful to everyone that I learned the C programming language in a clean and a prosperous way, and I doesn't feel any difficulty, and I doesn't feel any difficulty in this. So I request most of the people, most of the students who want to join in this Smart UI coaching classes, you can join as soon as possible, and you can learn many of the courses, and you can be a part of this institute. And I request everyone, and I am thankful to everyone that, and I have all of these my friends, and learned a lot of courses. And I thankful to Atiq sir that I have learned a C programming language in a clean and a prosperous way, as of I said in the beginning itself. And thank you sir, thank you for giving this knowledge to us. Thank you for sharing your knowledge and your experience with us. Thank you sir, thank you for giving this golden opportunity to me. Thank you.
If you need satisfaction to learn C program or any programs in a reasonable price and enjoyable classes, you better to consider and contact to Atiq sir. He has a well-known channel in YouTube, Engineering Drive. If you need a joyful and enjoyable classes, you consider Smart UI classes. Thank you sir.
वहाँ बैठ को सोचा तो कुछ बोलना बोल लिया था, लेकिन यहाँ आने के बाद स्टेज को ऐसा फील करने का वो तरीका चल रखा था. लेकिन एजुकेशन, ये स्टडीज़ बोलने का सीख सकती हैं, लेकिन जो सीखना बोलने का जो इंटरेस्ट आपने पैदा करा सर, जो आप पैदा करें माशाल्लाह, मैं तो बहुत इंटरेस्ट फील हुआ सर. आई एम वेल इंटरेस्टेड टू जॉइन हियर और चाहता हूँ कि और से और स्टूडेंट्स आ गए, और आपके लेक्चरर्स कम मस्ट एंड शुड आना बहुत ज़रूरी है. टेंशन में क्या बोलना समझ नहीं आ रहा.
You take free, see nobody is there here. सुकून ना, तुम्हें इत्मीनान से बात करोगे आगे.
आपका टीचिंग जो है सर माशाल्लाह बहुत अच्छा है, और इंटरेस्ट जो है मुझे बहुत पैदा करा है. आपके जो तरीक़ा है, आपसे जैसे लेक्चरर्स और है ना, अगर हटते तो, और पढ़ाई के नाम पे दाग भी नहीं आने आता। और तो और सोसाइटी में कैसे जीना बोलने का कुछ एक स्माइल से, जो स्माइल मैं आपके चेहरे पे देखा था, जो आप टीच करने का तरीका, माशाल्लाह सर, वो बस सर ये मैकेनिकल बोल लेते थे, लेकिन मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग जो है हर एक फील्ड सीखने की ज़रूरत है। और जो मैं आपका सीखा, और लगता है थोड़ा जल्दी सीखता था तो अच्छा था, लेकिन फिर भी अल्लाह के फल से आप हमको मिले, एक ज़रिया बने और सीख लिए। और शुक्रिया सर, आपके जैसे लेक्चरर्स और से और मिलना ज़िंदगी में बोल ले रहा हूँ, और से और आपको हमारे से भी और दुगना स्टूडेंट्स आपके पास सीखना बोल के चाह रहा हूँ। थैंक यू सर।
थैंक यू। So thank you Zishan for your kind and encouraging words, especially to lecturers. Okay. Okay sir.
I would like to say some words. There is one more feedback from my son. My son Akif Hussain is studying a BTech final year at the Kalasalingam University, Madurai. Was happened to be your student for 2 days. He attended your classes, and he is saying that your accuracy and perfection, your reaches to the students. Main difficulty occurs where if a lecturer gives his lecture above your standard, that may not reach your mind. But Atiq, as I already told, he chooses teaching profession not by chance. He chooses by choice only. He got an opportunity after completing his BTech in software companies, but he didn't go. I want to elect my profession as teaching. I appreciate Atiq for having wonderful students. I came to know from first year to 4th year, students have been joining you, and they are learning the C language. That means they are not able to learn such programs in their colleges. Yes. It's a very bad thing. When you are in the college, you must know all these things. And regarding fees, you should come above the human psychology. What is psychology is, we think that when fees is high, they give more. We go to corporate hospitals where collect fees more. We think that they are giving best treatment. Not like that. It is all in the hands of the managers or the teaching professors how to reach the students. So without taking much of time, I congratulate Mr. Atiq Ahmad for having a very good YouTube channel. Having YouTube channel in Kurnool, it's very unimaginable thing. Our college, where I am having my job, is having more than 75 years of experience. But no staff member created such a channel where the subscribers reached more than 7,000. 17,000 is not a ordinary thing. I wish very soon you achieve very high goals in your life. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for your motivating and encouraging words, sir. Okay, so see, whatever I have teached, it is up to my level. I have tried my level best to give you idea in every perfection, like with the help of projector classes or with the help of board. But one thing I want to tell from your side also, that sir, the students who came to our institute, they are very new, like strangers first. Now actually in this, as you mentioned, first years, second year, third year and final year, combination, degree, combination of this type of students are there. Even though today after 40 days they have become very close. We will not find this type of friendship also even in engineering colleges where student will study for 4 years. You know, this is also one bond created with all of you. Okay, remember one thing, from Monday onwards, if you don't have any classes now, you will feel bored during this particular time. That you will feel in one way in your heart that we used to go to class, we used to sit. Many students have given only one thing to me, sir, how the time will run, we don't know, sir. Class will start at 6:45 to 7, in between this time, 7 p.m. And how the time will run up to 8:15, they don't know. Even after completing the class also, students used to sit here only. So you have accustomed to this particular environment and there is a good friendship with you. The one thing that I love from all of you is the friendship. That you came as a batch, you are going outside also as a batch. I am not using the word going outside because every time I will invite you first as my first preference. Because the next courses which I am going to conduct, inshallah, in future, I may not take more than 20 to 25 students in my batch. And if you are the people who will ask me first, next programming language like Python or Java, anything, as you have requested me, I am going to give you, I am going to consider you people first compared to the rest of the people. That is the one thing I can give assurance. Is it right? Even I am going to increase the fee, anything like that, for you people, there will not be anything like that. Whatever we have promised, that will remain same. Because you are the special batch, you are the first batch of our institute. So even I can't forget you people. So thank you for making our institute a very nice one and making the institute not only smart but also a very attractive one. So today's chief guest, Dr. M. Anwar Hussain sir, I would like to thank you for taking out your time today, okay, and coming to our small program, and I am very happy sir. Thank you once again for accepting my request. From my side and from our sir, that is our chief guest, I would like to say all the best to all our participants, all our students, that they have spent this 40 to 45 days with regularity and in time, and so we have taken our classes very smooth, because without your cooperation, there is no need that there is no way that I am going to complete the syllabus also in time. Your cooperation is very, very important and you people have done that. Okay, so in future also, I am ready to help you for any type of course. Shortly I am going to start the course of Python programming, and interested students, they can join, okay, they can contact me and they can take the admission. So as soon as possible we are going to start that, and if any students are willing to join any other course like C programming, Java, okay, they can contact me and I can guide them with the correct procedure. Is it okay? So with this we are going to close our today's program. Thank you all of you.